Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be working a lit face and just getting my brows done. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to do my brow routine. I'm so excited. But I'm going to show you how I do my brows. Sometimes my brows don't look like sisters, they look like distant relatives, but that's okay. Like sometimes it just doesn't work out. As long as you can shape it properly with concealer, you're okay. So that's what we're going to do today. For my returning subscribers, hey family, how are you doing? And for my new subscribers, please be sure to subscribe down below at the red, click the red button, and also click the bell button so you can be notified every time I do upload, which is every Friday at 12:30. So I think we should just get into it. I'm just gonna go through the list of things that you will need, or what the stuff that I use. I am currently using the I'm currently using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in ash brown. So this is what it looks like. So it comes with a tweezer and also a pencil, but I lost those things, and it comes with a mirror as well. It's very dirty, so I apologize. And then I also used an angled brush because it's just easier to get into. This is from UBU number 31. So I also use a brow gel, and this is the brow gel I use. It's a bit tired because of all my eyebrows, but it's the Lash and Brow Clear Mascara that I use. And then I'm just going to be using my LA Girl concealer in Warm Sand just to clean it out. So what I usually do is, and also sorry, I also use a spoolie just to brush my brows. So what you want to do is brush your brows up, and Wet n Wild powder, and I use the darker shade. As you can see, it is the Most Love shade, and I usually start in the middle but also closer to the tail. So I use very light strokes. And I usually just fill in the sparse areas. When I get to the front, I start lightening the pressure, and then I flick it up using just the flat side of the brush. So I just flick it up. So I just keep filling in until I can see that there's no sparse areas, so everything is one shade. Keep filling in. And then also every now and again you just want to brush as well. So basically this is what it should look like. Should, emphasis on should. And then usually what I do is I would clean it from here with my concealer. This is actually a lip brush that I use as my concealer brush. I just find that it's a lot easier to actually get into all the spots. So I'm just going to clean out my brows, and I try to take as little as possible, and I just do underneath. And most of the time I do F this up. My brows are never perfect and they never look the same every day, so I just go with the flow because I'm just like whatever. And then I conceal more Usually I clean out the top, but then as soon as my foundation comes, it won't look this bad, because I really don't like people that have halo eyebrows. It doesn't make any sense. My Essence Lash and Brow Clear Gel Mascara. So this is the finished brow look. Please let me know if it was helpful, and I will see you next time.